In this video, we are decorating the week of April 27th in the classic size Teresa Collins Happy Planner using Year to Shine, the Year to Shine sticker book, and I found a couple of washi tapes to go with it. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch weekly planning videos and click the link in the description box to get your free planning checklist. I always like to start with washi tape. I think this one actually came from the Supermom washi tape collection. And this is one of the colored washi tape collections. Glitter, love that. And the colors that I want to use this week, my theme will be these colors. These two colors, like that pinkish peach and this kind of orchid purplish pink. Those two colors are going to be my color theme for this week. So let's start off with some washi tape. Next up is box stickers, and one of the weeks recently that I actually didn't film, I decorated just the center section with boxes and flowers, and I love how it turned out, so I want to do that again this week. So we're going to find just a couple of boxes to put in the center in these colors like these. Maybe the quote, like, maybe not the layered ones, but the quote ones. Maybe one layered one on the weekend. Like these. It's the little things in life. I like that. And maybe this one, cheers, or I want to see if there's any more. Maybe one like that on the weekend. Want a couple of good boxes. Oh, here's another good one. And it kind of looks like that one. We'll put that over here. Sometimes it's just easier to line up the squares sideways. I don't know why. What's the difference really? But somehow this way is a little easier for me. Okay, so now we have a box on each side. Maybe, I think that's all I'm going to do for boxes because we're going to decorate that whole center. Maybe one more box. We could alternate. Maybe one more box here. Let's see if there's any more that we really like. It could be, let's see. I want it to be a quote. I like the quote. Like, I love that. But that's not going to work for what I'm doing this week. So let's see if there's another quote one in the colors that we're looking for. I like that cheers, that plans, but that one's you write on it. I wanted one like a solid box. Those all you write on. Those fit the monthly. Okay, I think maybe we'll put a box or something decorative there instead, like one of these or that. Next up is checklists and bullet points, and I wanted to use bullet points, but I really like these checklists because of the colors. So we're going to use those. So let me just grab a checklist. I'll put one here on Monday. Oh, I want to switch it upside down. I like to put them on upside down so that there's a little more space at the top in case I want to put a banner at the top. And then I'll put this checklist in between Tuesday and Wednesday so that I can use it on both days. One checklist, 2 days. If I can get it on here straight. straight? I don't think so. There. And one more. We'll put this one in between Thursday and Friday so we can use it for both days. Oh, let me switch it upside down. Let's grab a couple of bullet points to put on Saturday and Sunday. How about we'll start off with a to-do and we'll put it in between, so again we can use it for both days. Let's move it to the top. And then maybe something else like this. Should we put 3? Maybe we can fit 3. What should our third one be? Later. Let's grab a couple of these banners. I just really like these to put at the top of our checklist. And we'll put the colors opposite. So we'll put peach on this purplish one. Focus on, and I think I'll overlap a little bit. And then maybe a purple one like priority. Over here. And then we'll grab something for this peach one. Today, maybe? Or reminder. How about reminder? Okay. Now for the fun part, we're going to use floral stickers, the rose gold and the pink ones. And we're going to cut them out, and they're going to fit in these boxes in between the quotes. So we'll just trim them a few different ways, and then we'll use those. Let's see. Okay, so if I want to use this one, maybe like that, I'll trim it like right here. And then we'll put it here. And then somewhere else, like over here. And we'll grab some more. Like this one. Maybe something like this. I actually want to add a couple more of these quote stickers before we fill it up completely with flowers. I want to put this purple one on one side, and then that peach one on one side. Maybe in between, like this. On the other layout I did something like that. I actually really liked it. I'm going to do that again. I want to grab a couple of these colored florals too, because so pretty. Let's see, which ones do we want? I want one of the peach ones and one of the purplish, but not too big, like the smaller ones. How about this little floral bud, because that's small. Let's do something like this. I didn't get very close to that edge. see, which way could we do this one? Okay, and we'll grab a peach one too. Let's grab this one. Maybe that should go, big scissors. Maybe that could go right here so it's kind of halfway on each page. Might have to move this middle part a little bit. We'll just move it up so it starts at the bottom. Could move it all the way up here. Like that. Like that. Let's grab one of these rose gold ones too. Oops, I missed the bottom, the stem. All right, where should this go? We have some space here, but not too much space. So let's trim like this. That there for a second. And then this one I think we might trim into some pieces so that we can fit it in a couple of spots. Like this part will fit there. And then let me grab my X-Acto to trim this edge. Ooh, don't stick. Just want it to go right there. Perfect. And then this leaf can go somewhere else. Maybe there. Probably don't even need the stem, just the leaf. Okay, let's grab a couple more of these small rose gold flowers and fill in the blanks with those. So this one will fit here. We'll trim that. How high up should it go? Like right here. And then this one, I really like when they come in from every direction. This whole thing can fit here. Right, and this one can go in here. And I don't think we'll need to trim very much of that. Might go ahead and place it and then trim this little edge here. Okay, I want to use another one of these, and I'm going to trim these little florals off so that they can go in some of those top spots that are blank. So let's trim that little one like this. And then it can go somewhere like that. And we'll trim another one. And it can go wherever it looks good. Right there. I need to trim this little extra piece. Let's see. quotes. So I just want to move this one down a little bit because I like that little leaf and I want the leaf to be in our square. There. Okay, I think we have our florals done. I want to see if I can find one more little quote to go there. Okay, I like this box that's on the first page, and I think it's going to fit, and it kind of matches our little Shine Bright. Let's see if we can get it to fit in there and look good. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, I just want to add one little quote, and I feel like the bottom's kind of naked, so I want to add a little more washi. One of these, either this clear, it's kind of clear with some rose gold floral on it. Let's just see. I want to see. I think that might be too much. I'm thinking this little tiny pink with the little rose gold sparkle is what I'll put there. It might look good there, actually. And or one of these scalloped edges at the bottom. Big one or the tiny. I think I like this the best. But do I put it here? I kind of like it on that line. But that's kind of going to be difficult to get all those little pieces. I think I'm going to use this along the bottom. And then one little quote, this quote in rose gold and this peach color. I want to put that right here at the bottom. And then we'll put the washi across. This washi. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!